What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You see me pull up or whatnot. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are still on the way to 700 subscribers, so join the family, share this video with a friend. So today I'm off, and I was laying around the house, and I said, man, let me get my butt up and shoot some content for you guys. But I really don't know what to shoot. So I noticed the other day that my AC wasn't blowing as cold, so we're gonna go and try to charge it up today. We may rotate the tires, take the truck and get it washed. I don't really know, but I figured I'd pick the camera up, start recording, and yeah, so we'll see how this little vlog turns out today. Also, follow me on Instagram at IamDJLee1 and TikTok, IamDJLee1. Yo, seriously, if you want to do something in life, just do it. Don't try to copy nobody. Do something that you want to do. Follow your goals, follow your dreams, and man, it's gonna pay off, man. Yeah, anyway, let's go. Ooh, man, the light's bad. Alright, so we made it into Walmart. Yo, this shit here is expensive. What is this? This download the AC Pro L. I've never seen no shit like this before. Alright. I ain't never really used this kind before, but we're gonna try it and see. Let's see. What else can I get while I'm in Wally World? I want to buy a camera, but for these prices, I might as well just save up and buy the real one I want. I'm just gonna keep using my phone. Ain't gonna lie to you, she look good. I'm gonna miss it when I change the color. That orange hit just right in the sun. Alright guys, so as I was charging up the AC, I realized, I don't know if y'all can see that, but the truck is leaking. Man, that's a nice little leak there. So looks like the truck is leaking from the racking pinion, and that makes me mad because that's I don't know how much that's gonna be to get fixed. Alright, so I'm headed to my local auto parts, O'Reilly's, and I gotta pick up one more can of the AC freeze for my AC and see if I can order a rack pinion, because it's leaking, and I just replaced the power steering pump and high pressure line not too long ago, so I know that's not the problem. So it looks like it's coming from the power steering box. So yeah, hopefully it's not too expensive. I really am trying to spend a little extra money, but the way it's leaking, that's illegal. So, on the good note, the AC in here, whoo, it's chilly willy in here, chilly willy. So yeah, I'll pick you guys up once I get to the auto part place. Order a part.
To rent the tool, you're at $84.99 plus tax.
Okay.
And what part do you need and what car?
It's 2000 Dodge Durango, 4x4. I need the rack and pinion.
But those the same thing. And you said it is a 4-wheel drive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have to order that. I do not have it in stock. It runs $231.99, $45 core.
Okay. Well, I need that, so you can add that.
Okay.
Can I get, what's the price for some tie rods? Because I think you can have to.
The outer tie rods?
Yes, ma'am. Because you have to, those go on the outside, right?
Right. The inner
So-
tie rods will come with the rack and pinion. So.
Right. So I need to probably replace those while I got it out.
Side will be $33.99 a piece.
What's the difference in between them?
One of them's the Precision, which is kind of like Mook, better brand, than the store brand.
Okay. We'll throw it whatever the best one is, because I got big tires on it, so I want to go with the big one or the best one.
Okay. So I got outer tie rod ends. I got the rack and pinion that I have to order. What else?
And then just these right here.
Okay.